Hello, welcome. If you have been following me for a while now, you will know that we have a very nice shortcut in finding the root of a quadratic equation, something like this, that came from NOV-DEC 2024. So we have to solve 15x squared minus x minus 2 equals 0. That is 15x squared minus x minus 2 equals 0. The first thing we did was to multiply the coefficient of the x squared and the constant. That will give you 30. Then you find factors of negative 30. When you add those two factors, you should be getting what? The negative 1, the number in front of the x term here. And we know we have 1, 30, 2, 15, 5, and 3, right? Or 5 and 6. Then I think we can have 3 and what? 10. These are the factors, positive factors. So the negative can be migrated. So I can put a negative on all of this. I'll still get a negative 30. Or I can alternate it to be on the other side. Alright. Now, knowing very well that this is negative, meaning within the two factors, the bigger one will be negative. The bigger factors will be the negative one. So I'll have the negative here, 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 and here rather. So now in adding them, which one will give me a negative 1? Here will be negative 29, so discarded. Here will be negative 13. Here will be negative 1. So I'll be going for these two factors. So straightforward, from here, what I'm going to do is to open up the two brackets, all equals to 0. So x. The first factor is plus 5, so plus 5. Second factor, minus 6. Those are the two factors we had. But before we got the 30, we multiply by 15. So we divide here by the 15. So that's all. So this bracket is either 0 or this bracket is what? Either 0. So I'll be having x plus, from here I can have 1 over 3. Is that it? 5 into itself 1 into 15 3 times is equals to 0, or x minus 3 goes there, 2, 3 goes here, 5 equals to 0. What will I do? I transpose to have my x equals to negative 1 on 3, or x equals to 2 on what? 5. Looking through the options, which of the option will give me negative 1/3, positive 2/5. So we are going for the option A as the answer. You know, it takes more than 2 minutes to arrive here as I'm explaining to you. But with you, you can be able to actually do this within a minute. Even less than a minute. A minute might be too long if you follow the tricks displayed in this tutorial. Share, like, comment, and subscribe.